Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Chestfield. We're taking a look at number 17 Plantation Road, a beautifully presented 4-bedroom detached family home. Now you can see from the front driveway area here we've got loads and loads of space, and we do also have that integral garage as well. Now coming straight through into the main hallway space of the property, you can see you've got that wonderful modern finish throughout. There really is no work to do here whatsoever, and it's ready to be moved into straight away. Now coming straight through into the kitchen and breakfast room here, you can see you've got a really nice amount of space with those bifolding doors just at the side, giving you access to the side and then of course to the rear garden. The kitchen itself does come with a range of fitted appliances and of course a nice little view there over the front garden as well, but you can see of course you do have a lot of space here, plenty of space in here for other appliances as well, with that little breakfast bar at the end of the room, and again that side access leading us into the side part of the garden, and then of course leading us down into the rear of the garden, which we will take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. Let's go through back to the main hallway space now and go and take a look at the downstairs cloakroom before going through and taking a look at the lounge and the garden room. So here we are in the lounge. You can see here we've got lots and lots of space, plenty of room in here, not only for a nice reception area but also for a dining space as well. So in the lounge you can see we've got that wonderful fireplace, real focal point to the room, and again there's a real emphasis on how much light is brought into the property from the rear here. You do have the access through into that wonderful garden room, and of course you've got again those bifolding doors leading us out to the side, so of course you can link the kitchen, breakfast room and the lounge really easily with this style of property. Now going through into the garden room here, you can see it's a beautiful space, wonderful reception area with again those bifolding doors just leading us out into the rear garden here. It's worth noting that on the ground floor of the property you do have the benefit of underfloor heating throughout as well, which is a huge bonus. But let's go upstairs now and take a look at the 4 bedrooms and the main family bathroom before going out into the rear garden. So here we are upstairs, and we're going to go through and take a look at one of the property's 4 double bedrooms. Of course you can see that we've got wonderful double-sized room with that view just leading over the back garden there. Plenty of space in here, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage here. You can see that we've got 2 wonderful big wardrobe units there as well, so a lovely double-sized room. Next up we'll go through and take a look at another bedroom that overlooks the rear garden as well, and you'll see again it is a lovely double-sized room. So just coming through here, double-sized room, plenty of space in here for wardrobes and chest of drawers as well, and again enjoying that wonderful aspect over the rear garden and across the rooftops. So next up we'll go through and take a look at the family bath and shower room, then we'll go through and take a look at the 2 bedrooms to the front of the property. So here we are inside another double bedroom at the front of the property. Again, easy double-sized room here with plenty of space for wardrobes, chest of drawers, double bed. You do enjoy that nice little view of the front garden there, that lovely big driveway as well. So plenty of space there for parking. And just coming back out and through into the landing, we'll go through and take a look at the main bedroom at number 1. Now this is a beautiful room, got those 2 windows there at the front just letting all of that natural light through, and again plenty of space in here for the double bed and plenty of space in here for the wardrobe and chest of drawers. You do, however, have that access through into the ensuite that we'll go through and take a look at in a moment. Once we have taken a look at that space there, we'll go through into the rear garden, where I'll let you take that space in for a moment, and then we'll recap the main features of the property. So there we have it. We've had a good look around the rear garden, and there's still a little bit more to see, but for now we're just going to recap a few points on the property. This is of course a 4-bedroom detached family home in Chestfield, a wonderful location with easy access through into Whitstable. Now, I really would ask that you give us a call in the office if you have any questions at all about the property. And again, if you do enjoy the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.